Hi guys, here's the Masterverse Battlecat unboxing. Here you can see all the figures, upcoming figures in the upcoming cartoon. Alright, up close and personal. Hi guys, welcome to another MOTU review, and this time will be Masterverse Battlecat from the new Netflix series. Okay, right here you have Battlecat in this is quite very large figure. Okay, you can see him. He is green in color. Okay, and the traditional Battlecat colors. Right, and this is his face. Okay, he's quite menacing. Okay, he has 30 points of articulations. Okay, this is his side view. Okay, the tail, the side again. This is a very beautiful sculpted figure, and this is the most large. This Battlecat is very large. Okay, here is a comparison. So that's comparison with the Origins Battlecat. Okay, you can see in comparison, he drops the Origins Battlecat by a lot. Okay, here's the side by side comparison, tail to tail. I would like you to say. Okay, he's a very large figure. Okay. Okay, let's take him away. And you can take his head, this battle armor off. Okay, here's the mask. Okay, let me take Battlecat to the sides of it. Okay, here is the armor pit of the Masterverse Battlecat. Notice it's red in color, so it's nicely sculpted. A very menacing look. Okay, here is the sculpt inside. Okay, this series doesn't come with any comics. Okay. And here's the battle armor at the back of it. Okay, and it's made out of soft plastic, as well as this one is bendable. Okay, you can come here and take out the armor right here, or the straps, and Battlecat becomes Cringer. Okay. Here's a nice articulation. Here's the size of it. Okay, again, very nice head sculpt for Cringer. Okay, very cartoon accurate, I presume. His mouth can open and close, and you can see his teeth, nicely sculpted, very accurate and very menacing. Okay, you can rotate his head up and down, even this part as well, slightly. You can move his hands this way. You can bend it slightly at the knee, and also his you can rock his feet as well. He has also a two-point belly articulation. You can move it this way as well. The tail. Okay, and also the legs, back and forth. You can bend also the knee, and also the lower part as well. You can bend it slightly, and you can rock the knee right here. And let's look at the paws. nicely well done. Very very pleased that MOTU actually released this figure. Alright, and you can let Cringer do his when he's scared. Okay, this is how he can lie down. Okay, oh, this is a very nice sculpt. Right, let's put him back in his battle mode. Okay, just put this in. Come over here. Okay, it's a bit hard to do when you're behind the camera. Okay. Okay, you have okay, this is the wrong end of it. Should be the other way. Yes, this is the correct way. Takes a while to get used to it. Put it back. Okay, this is the correct way that he's supposed to wear it. Sorry. Okay, and here you can put the his head back. Okay. Alright, you have seen all the articulations that Better Cat has. Okay, here's the Origins He-Man, where you can let him sit. Okay, here he barely can sit properly. Okay. Yep, this is the Origins He-Man with the Masterverse Battle Cat. Okay. So I would say this is a nice release from MOTU. So we will just need to wait for the rest of the figures like He-Man, so that you can he can have his more proportionate. You just look at this guy. It's very huge. Alright, and this is this video will also include the unboxing of this figure. Alright, this is Cool Boss 2008 signing out.